Yo, it's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a professional tiler for 35 years and this is what I'm doing at the moment, this bathroom. If you looked at my video I had yesterday, you'll see that I'm up to here and I'm just about to start to whack around some waterproof. I've just sealed the walls. I always do my joints with a brush. And then I'll roll the rest in a sec. You see this? Can you see that now? I have come across showers that are like that and they get waterproofed and the person waterproofing thinks he's doing the right thing and he folds his waterproof down into there, you know, and it's all good. But you've got to have a puddle flange like this because this pipe can move. And when that moves, it breaks the seal of your waterproof. So if I've taught you nothing, that's something. Please take that under your hat and hang on to it because it's very important. You must have a puddle flange like that. Anyway, let's carry on with this. I hope everyone's having a great day. I am. Life's beautiful. I hope this is finding you all well. If I can teach you something when you're doing up your own bathroom, fantastic. You will save money doing it yourself.